Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AS Automation. This is a very first video is in a brand or new series where we explore how to use Studio 5000 alongside Factory Talk View Studio together. If you are not familiar the basic either Studio 5000 or Factory Talk View Studio, don't worry, I already uploaded video for the beginner. Friendly videos on those. You will find the links in description below. So in this series I will cover all core question automation engineers usually face working with SCADA PLC integration, and every topic will be tied this Factory Talk Studio migration with Studio 5000 on way. So let's see, before I uploaded video on Studio 5000 basics, Studio 5 Factory Talk Studio basics, all type of animations, all type of buttons, software introduction, anything you can go on my YouTube channel and you can watch them. So let's get started. So first open your software, Studio 5000 Logix Designer. Double click on it. So software interface look like this. So you can see Studio 5000, and downside you can see it's blur, but downside is here FT means Factory Talk by Rockwell Automation, means Factory Talk Studio SCADA software developed by Rockwell Automation, and Studio 5000 Factory Talk View, both is, you can say, both software is migrate internally. You can see externally both software, there is two software, but if you understand, if you will study on it, and if you will give more time, so you will understand, yes, yeah, yes, both software is internally connected, externally is two, but internally is connected. So that's the reason here they are mentioned Factory Talk Studio by Rockwell Automation. So here you can see create, open and explore. What it is in create? In create you can see new project. From import you can import project from file, and you can see from sample project. Whenever you will install Studio 5000, so you will get some sample project by Rockwell after installation. Open, in open you can see existing project. If you develop some project you can see existing project, and you can, here you can see Factory Talk View. Directly you can open Factory Talk View existing project, either you can directly open file projects. And next is sample project, same thing, sample project, from sample and sample project. From upload you can directly upload. If your laptop, if your PC is connected to the PLC, so you can upload this, you can upload program, but IP address should be matched between PLC and PC both. It's totally different topic. So Lexis help, you can whatever you want, you can go help and you can search it and read it. It's very helpful. I'm also learn many things from the helps. Now I'm also learning with the help of help. Let's see how to create a new project. So click on new projects and let's get started. So here when you will click on new project, one pop-up will appear. Inside of pop-up you can see compact ControlLogix PLC. Here is many type of PLC. So you can see compact ControlLogix PLC. It's safety PLC. So safety PLC using by safety PLCs using by oil and gas industries, refinery industries, or other safety industries, like other safety industries. Oil and gas is most critical industry, so most of the times oil and gas, these PLCs are using. And compact guard logic, I not use compact guard logic, but it's uh, greater greatest version of guard logics, 5370 and 5380. Greater upgrade version. CompactLogix, it's very common and easy PLC and very small PLC. CompactLogix 5373 5370. In CompactLogix there is a three types of PLC: L1 series, L2 series and L3 series. You can see here L1. L1 in L1 series many type of PLC X L16, L18, L18 ER BB1B, L19 ER BB1B, L2. L2 means L2 series. L24 ERB QB1B, L24 ER and 27 30. L3 series 30 ER L33 L30 ER L30 ERM L30 ER ENS NSE 33 ERM 37 38 ERM, many types of. So then CompactLogix 5380. In 5380 means, you understand, compact guard logics and compact guard logics advanced. Same CompactLogix 5370 and CompactLogix advanced 5380. It's advanced version. Same ControlLogix 5570 and, sorry, compact CompactLogix 5480. You understand CompactLogix 5380 and CompactLogix 5480. Same in advance. Same in ControlLogix 5570 and ControlLogix 5580. So it's CompactLogix and ControlLogix. Then in the last you can see emulate controller. Means if you don't have any PLC, means if you don't have actual hardware, then how you can learn, how you can program, how you can think more without, because you don't have any PLC. So what you have to do, you can easily use simulator. If you don't know about, so in previously I already uploaded introduction on simulator, so you can watch those videos. And then Studio 5000 Logic Simulate, you can select directly Studio 5000 Logic Simulate. So click on it, because I also don't have any other hardware, so click on it. Studio 5000 for Logic Simulate is 5570 5868. When you will open Studio 5000 Logic Simulate, so you can see 5868. So here you can write YT, logic for YT, logic YT, sorry, Studio YT, YT FT. Studio 5000 YT means YouTube, FT means FactoryTalk Studio. So let's see next. Your location, where you want, you can save location, either D drive, C drive, desktop, and any external pen drive, or maybe in your phone also you can connect your phone. Next is click on next. Here you can see version of your software. What is the which version you are using inside of PC? What is the version of software? Version is 35. If you are using version 24, version 30, version 33, version 35. So you can see here version 30, 24, 30, 33, 35 both, and you can select between all four versions. Any versions you can select, but I have only version 35. That's the reason here only showing version 35. Next is slot number changes. You can select slot number. Slot number changes means changes of Studio 5000 Logic Simulate. Changes of Studio 5000 Logic Simulate also, whenever you will use hardware. So hardware changes limitation, ControlLogix also 10 changes is maximum limitation. Sorry, maximum limitation 17 changes. You can use 4, 7, 10, 13, 17. So now don't want to 10, so you can change changes here. Slot number, in which slot you have to install, you can install slot number 0, slot number 1, slot number 2, slot number 3, and 0 to 6. So okay, slot number 0 is okay, no production. Whenever you will select FactoryTalk security laptop is my HP laptop, that's the reason here showing laptop. Whenever you will select, so your program will protect from your laptop. Anyone cannot open this program. In program will not open to another laptop. Next is use only selected authentication and authentication means, or authorization, only authorization person can use. and here logic name, controller, permission, whenever you will select, so these options will come. No production, here you can write any description, like example 5000, studio 5000, studio 5000, what you can write, studio 5000 and studio 5000 with ft view studio. Okay, whatever you want you can write in description box, no matter, don't worry. So click on finish. So you selected PLC, what you done, you selected a PLC, you assign a name, and now it's going to open a project. Will say take time. So now it's opening. So until is not open, till now you have to wait it. After open you can after open it, what you can do, you can easily do program. So in this lecture I will only discuss about how you can select hardware. So next is you can see interface of studio 5000s. Already I discuss all tools and everything. So now how you can select DI card, DO card, AI card, AO card. In step number 1, your project is created. In step number 2, you selected a hardware, it means PLC. In step number 3, what you have to do, you can select a communication, you want to say, you have to select a communication card. So click on, right click on PLC. Here you can see controller tag, controller fault handler, power up handler, main task, main program, assets, and more things. So one by one, when you will learn basics, one by one I will explain everything on studio studio 5000. You can do one project on with using studio 5000 and FactoryTalk B Studio. But you have to understand basics studio 5000s and FactoryTalk B Studio, then you can combine very easily both, and then you can develop project, any types of project, no matter in which industry you are working, either you are going to start your career in any industry. So now click on module. So it's open. So example, you want only communication card. So what you can do, you can select module type catalog filter. You can select here all filters, and you can select communication. So communication card will open communication all filters. You can select here 1756 AEN2TR. EN2TR. It's communication card. EN2TR is a communication card. It look like a big communication card. You can use any other communication card, but I'm using for, you can use any other communication card, no problem, don't worry. And you can see its categories. Communication means you can communicate in hardware, this is a hardware, you can communicate with PLC with this hardware for add a extra IOs. Either whenever you will use ControlLogix PLC, this hardware should be used. Without this communication card you cannot use ControlLogix PLC. Next module, discovery favorite. Example, you selected here favorite 1756 EN2TR. You need to select add to favorite, so you can see it's favorite, and whenever you want you can select, click on favorite, and directly you can click on create. So now it's going to create. So some basic setting pop-up will be appear. You need to bait it. So this is a module, new module. Here you can see new module, and parents is local. Device definition. Here you can give name. You can see here device type 1756 AEN2TR, type of the device 10 to 100 MB per Mbps Ethernet bridge to port twisted pair media. Name you can write CM CM01. CM0 means communication card 1. Either you can write full form. Communication description you can write according to you. Example, IP address, you need to write IP address 192.168.0.10. IP address you can assign according to your requirement. If you working on project, so according to project. And if you learning only, you can select any IP address, no problem. Click on OK. Now you can see here it's look like this in hardware pictures. Revision 11 electronic key capability module, connection non, time synchronization, you can synchronize time on online, but it's still not hard. It is still IP address is not assigned until and unless you will not assign from boot P. Boot P is a tool of Studio 5000. With the help of boot P you can assign IP address. So device configuration, connection, and here you can see one very good things. Inhibit means you can inhibit your particular hardware if your hardware is not connected to, if this hardware is not in physically connected. You added in your software, but you need to inhibit until and unless you get a hardware and you install it. Example, you want to program it and you want to download this program on actual PLC, but this with actual PLC you want to use communication card, but you don't have, so you can click on inhibit. After that, whenever PLC will come, you can deselect inhibit option and you can use. Again you can see what is next is major fault on connection if connection fail while run mode. So example, in the run mode connection is fail, so PLC major fault will come inside of PLCs or inside of project. Internet protocol, the sending and receiving data is called protocol. So it's protocol, different topic, configuration, network, and time synchronization, nothing. So click on OK. Your communication card has been selected. So what you need to do, right click, and again you can see here cut, copy, paste, delete, cross reference, launch RS works, audit networks, and export modules. Property you can check here, property, right? All right, right click.